Hello everyone, welcome to our today's lesson. The unit is fractions. Fractions. And today we will learn the operation of subtraction. Subtraction of fractions. We started off by learning how to add fractions. Today we progress to the second operation, which is subtraction. And we will take a few examples. Number one, find the value, example, of 9 over 14 minus 2 over 7. Find the value. Subtraction. So how do we subtract 2 over 7 from 9 over 14? 2 over 7. We first find the LCM of the denominators, 14 and 7. The LCM here is 14. Then we take 14, divide by 14, gives us 1. 1 times 9 is equal to 9, minus 14, divide by 7 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So the answer here is 5 over 14. So that is the answer to example 1. Then example 2, the second example will be find the value of 5 over 7 minus 1 over 3. 5 over 7 minus 1 over 3. The LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. 21 divided by 7 is 3, times 5, 15, minus 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. 15 minus 7 gives us 8 over 21. So this is the answer. Example number 2. Moving on to example 3. Find the value of 7 over 8 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. 7 over 8 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. LCM of 8, 3 and 4 is 24. So we divide 24 by 8. That gives us 3 times 7, 21, minus 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 1, 8, minus 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. So this will be equal to 21 minus 8 is 11. 21, this is 21 minus 8 is equal to 13. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So the answer here is 7 over 24. 24 is the answer. That is example number 3. Example number 3, we are working out the operation of subtraction on fractions. Find the value of 9 7 over 12 minus 3 over 8. Find the value of 9, 7 over 8, 12 minus 3 over 8. Now where you have a mixed, you are carrying out the operation of subtraction on mixed fraction, first of all you subtract the whole numbers, then you subtract the fractions. Whole numbers and fractions are operated separately. So we'll have 9 minus 3, 9 minus 3, then 7 over 12 minus 3 over 8. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 into the LCM of 12 and 8 is 24. 24 goes into, 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. All right, this divided by this 2 times 7, 14, minus 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So the answer here is 6. This 6. 14 minus 9 is 5 over 24. 5 over 24. Can work out another example. Subtraction of fractions. Find the value. Find the value of 7, 3 over 8 minus 4, 2 over 3. These are mixed fractions. Find the value of 7, 3 over 8 minus 4, 2 over 3. First, we subtract the whole numbers. The whole numbers here, 7 and 4. 7 minus 4. Then we subtract the fractions. 3 over 8 minus 2 over 3. 2 over 3. This is equal to 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Then we get the LCM of 8 and 3. LCM is 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 3 is equal to 9 minus 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So at this point you can see, and I want you to be very keen here, 16 cannot be subtracted from 9. So what are we going to do? 16 cannot be subtracted from 9. What we'll do is to borrow 1 from 3. When you borrow 1 from 3, you have 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Then the one that you've borrowed here, you take it inside the bracket. And this 1, we will rewrite it. We write it as 24 over 24. Convert this one into a fraction, because we are dealing here with fractions. So we take 24 over 24. We add to 9 over 24 minus 16 over 24. Why have I done this? It's because 9 minus 16 over 24 is the same as 9 minus 24 minus 16 minus 24, because these two share the same denominator. Okay, 9 minus 16 over 24 is the same as writing 9 over 24 minus 16 over 24. Then the next step is to subtract. We add 24 plus 29, 24 plus 9, 24 plus 9 is equal to 33. 33 minus 16, 33 minus 16 is equal to 17. So the answer is 217 over 24. This is the answer. Now we will do another example which is similar to this one to help you understand subtraction of this kind of fractions. We try another example. Find the value of 1 over 4 minus 2, 7 over 9. The value of 1 over 4 minus 2, 7 over 9. First, subtract the whole numbers. 4 minus 2, these 2, into 1 over 4, the fraction 1 over 4 minus 7 over 9, 7 over 9. This is similar to the one we had. 7 cannot be subtracted from 1. So we come here and say 2, 4 minus 4, 2 is equal to 2 into 1 minus over 4, 7 over 9. 7 cannot be subtracted from 1. So we will borrow 1 from these two. When you borrow 1, you'll have 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 into 4 over 4, all right, 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 7 over 9. Okay. The one we borrowed here, let me explain. The one we borrowed here, this one we convert it into a fraction. And the fraction here I've chosen 4 over 4 because of this 4. So we'll add this the first two fractions first, such that we'll have 1 into 5 over 4 minus 7 over 9. It is now possible to deduct. Okay, why? Because this fraction is bigger than this fraction. 5 over 4 is bigger than 7 over 9. So we can now get the LCM. This is 1 into LCM. The LCM of 4 and 9 is 36. 36 divided by 4 is equal to 6, is equal to 9. 9 times 5, 45, minus 36 divided by 9 gives us 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So 45 minus 28, here we have 7, then there is 1. So the answer is 117 over 36. So this is the answer, the value of 4 and a quarter minus 2, 7 over 9. Now that marks the end of our today's lesson. We stop at that, but before we close the lesson, here is your assignment, exercise. Find the value of the following: 1, 4, 1 over 4 minus 2, 3 over 5. 2, 2, 2 over 7 minus 3 over 4. 3, 11, 1 over 5 minus 3, 9 over 10 minus 1, 3 over 15. 4, 5, 3 over 16 minus 1, 7 over 12. Then lastly, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 minus 3 over 4 minus 4 over 7. These are 5 questions that I want you to attempt so that you can learn more about subtraction of fractions. Thank you for attending this class. In case you have any problem solving these 5 questions, then communicate that to us so that we may work these questions together here on the board. Thank you and bye-bye.